your life. You're a discontented mother and a regimented wife. I've no doubt you dream about the things you'll never do, but I wish someone had talked to me like I wanna talk to you. Ooh, I've been to Georgia and California, anywhere I could run. Took the hand of a preacher man and we made love in the sun. But I ran out of places and friendly faces because I had to be free. I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me. Please lay there, don't just walk away. 'Cause I had this need to tell you why I'm all alone today. I can see so much of me still living in your eyes. Won't you share a part of the weary heart that has lived a million lives? Ooh, I've been to Nice and the Isle of Greece, where I sip champagne on the edge, move like Carlo in Monte Carlo, and show them what I've got. I've been done just by kings, and I've seen some things that a woman ain't supposed to see. I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me. Hey, you know what's paradise is? It's a lie, a fantasy you created about people and places as you like them to be. But you know what it is? It's that little baby you're holding, and it's that man you fought with this morning. The same man you're going to make love tonight. That's true, that's love. Sometimes I've been to cry for unborn children that might have made me complete. But I took this sweet life, I never knew I'd be better. From that sweet, I spent my life exploring the subtle harmony. It costs too much to be free. Hey lady, I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me. I've been to paradise, never been to me. I've been to paradise, never been to me.